Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Walmart app at gas stations. First, download and open the Walmart app on your smartphone. Next, link your preferred payment method, like a credit card or a Walmart gift card, within the app settings. It's also important to ensure your device's location services are enabled so the app can easily detect participating gas stations nearby. This simple setup takes just a few moments. Once set up, navigate to the Services or Fuel section within the Walmart app. Here, you'll find a convenient map feature that helps you locate all participating gas stations in your vicinity. After selecting your chosen station, make sure to activate any available fuel discounts or savings offers directly through the app. This step ensures you get the best possible price on your fuel purchase. When you arrive at the gas station, park at your chosen pump. Open the Walmart app and confirm the specific pump number you are using. Before you start fueling, authorize your payment directly through the app. This secure process ensures your transaction is pre-approved. Once the app confirms authorization, you can begin fueling your vehicle as usual, enjoying a seamless and convenient experience. After you finish pumping, the Walmart app will automatically process your payment, applying any activated savings or discounts. There's no need to go inside the station or use a physical card at the pump. A digital receipt for your transaction will be immediately available within your app for easy record keeping. Drive away knowing you've saved both money and valuable time with this efficient method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.